Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick at-home gel manicure using Leaf Me Be from Sally Hansen. It's a super pretty muted green that I've become obsessed with. This is my inspiration photo. They're just easy, short green gel nails. I thought it was going to be a good green for St. Patrick's Day, but it's giving more military or olive vibes. So as you can see, this was the end result, and we're going to get here by the end of the video. So here I have all of the products that I typically use whenever I'm doing my gel nails, and most of them are totally optional. I have a nail primer, a nail prep dehydrator, base gel, the nail polish, a top coat, and a vitamin E cuticle oil from Sally Hansen. I have a buffer, and I have a mask and a cuticle cutter. Now, some things I actually didn't show on camera that I do use are these nail gloves from Susie Melody, I don't remember the brand. And I also use nail polish remover from this push bump bottle and these pads that I got from Amazon. And I use the alcohol to basically remove any leftover polish, dirt, oil from the nails. This helps to provide kind of like a clean base to start on. So now I'm going to use a nail dehydrator, which is going to remove any natural oils from my nails. And even if you think your nails look clean, they actually have natural oils that can make nail polish lift faster. So I just take a small amount on the brush and swipe it over each nail. And then I go ahead and use a nail primer. And the nail primer acts like a double-sided tape for the nail polish. It gives it something extra to grip onto. If you have like ongoing issues with peeling gel, which I did for a long time, this step is a game changer. You just need a very thin layer on each nail. And with just these two steps, we're setting up a super strong foundation for a longer lasting manicure. So now I'm going in with this Beetles Foundation Base Gel, and this is pretty crucial because it helps the color apply smoothly. And I'm only using a thin layer because too much product is going to make your nails look thick and lumpier. You want it to look smooth and natural. And then once you're done with a base coat, you're going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. I use this Sun UV lamp. I'm going to go ahead and link it below. And once I've done that, I go ahead and do the other side. And then you can go ahead and cure that for another 60 seconds. So now we're gonna go in with the color, and this is Leaf Me Be by Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel line. It's number 762. And some tips here, you wanna go in with a very, very light first coat. You don't wanna do a thick coat because if you glop it on, it's gonna cure weird. So you wanna do this layer very, very thin, and then you want to follow that up after curing with additional thin layers and just kind of build upon that first one. It's gonna look a little bit streaky, especially with certain colors, but with this color, it's once you start building, you're gonna see that it's gonna get more and more opaque and closer to the color that we want. As far as painting the actual nail, when I first started painting, it was really, really streaky. I would get nail polish everywhere, all over the cuticle. It was just a mess. And so the only thing I can recommend is just practice, practice, practice. It's gonna take some time and a lot of patience, but you'll get there. Just do your best. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to go in with one more coat. I may go in one more time with this nail polish for another coat, depending on how transparent it looks after this coat. And then I go and cure it again for another 60 seconds. So here I'm going in with one last coat just because I did see a few spots that were a little bit transparent. And then I go ahead and cure that for 2 rounds of 60 seconds. And now we're going to seal everything in with the top coat. And this is pretty self-explanatory. It helps everything stay together. It prevents the nail polish from chipping. And again, you want to use thin and even layers. You want to start at the cuticle and work your way up. And so now we're going to hydrate because nothing ruins a cute manicure faster than crusty cuticles. I'm using vitamin E gel, which is basically like a little drink of water for my nails, a tiny drop on each cuticle, and then you can rub it in. So just remember to rub it in like you have your life together and actually remember to moisturize daily. And boom, you have healthy, shiny, and ready for me to immediately ruin them by doing something dumb like trying to open a soda can with my nails instead of using common sense. So after all of that, I do the left hand and just basically repeat all the same steps that I did on the right hand on the left hand. And there you have it, a Leave Me Be gel manicure that will hopefully last longer than my New Year's resolutions. If you made it this far, congratulations. You now have the patience for a salon quality manicure at home. Let me know in the comments if you're more of a neutral nails person or if you like more fun colors. And also, if you found this helpful or even mildly entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can keep making more videos.